Good afternoon, friends and family. Are you really struggling and are tired of struggling financially, and you must think before you must buy this or that? Is that necessary? No, stop. I will show you. I will have the perfect solution. The perfect solution is an e-learning course that you can make investment by buying the e-learning course, and that e-learning course will and can bring you some generate some extra income while you promoting it on your social channels, and it's explained step by step when you go and click on my website link that is on my YouTube channel. By clicking on my YouTube website link in my YouTube channel, you must put your email in, and it will show you step by step what to do and how to earn. So go make that investment by buying at me. You won't regret it. Enjoy your day.